Hello guys, welcome back. In my last video, I showed you how to download and start mining Delta coin. I also showed you how to mine USCT, which is the short form of USD credit, by watching ads. First, you have to click on this ad and click confirm. The number of ads you need to watch will appear here. You can see that mine is 0. I've already watched it. And if you look closer, you will see a timer running here. In order to maximize the mining of your USCT, you need to watch this ad every 8 hours. There is usually 3 ads available to watch each time. The moment you click on this tiny play button to watch your first ad, this timer will start running. And you have to come back in the next 8 hours to watch another 3 ads. Let's say you watch your first 3 ads around 6 a.m. in the morning. The next time you watch the second 3 ads will be around 2 p.m. And the next time you watch the next 3 ads will be around 10 p.m. That's how you can maximize the mining of your USCT. Because according to them, if you click on this small arrow down here, you can read what they wrote here. We are earning certain percentage from the USD those advertisers are paying. And if you have referrals, you'll also be earning a percentage of your referrals USCT mining, just like you earn from the Delta coin mining of your referral. You also earn a percentage of their own USCT mining. Now, some of you have asked me when you can start withdrawing the USCT. If you come over here where this question mark is and click on it to read, this is what they wrote. They said pending USCT records will be compared and confirmed with the advertising platform within 15 to 30 days. Valid records will be transferred to the USCT record list, and the corresponding USCT amount will be added to the account balance. From what I understand, this pending USCT that we have here, once the advertisers confirm that maybe you actually watch those ads that give you this amount, once they confirm, maybe they have their own way of confirming that you have watched it actually, they will send it to this balance USCT. From there, the amount that you will earn from it, because it's not all, you are going to get a certain percentage of this amount that we have here in this end section, which will eventually come to this withdraw session. Then we can withdraw into our wallet and send it to exchange to sell to get real money. I hope that is clear enough. And they said according to them that it will take 15 to 30 days to make those confirmations. So keep mining by watching the ads up to 3 times in a day in order to maximize your earnings. Now, in my last video, I also showed you how to add security circle. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to have it linked in the description box below and also in the pinned comment so that you can watch it and follow it step by step. If you are yet to register and start mining this Delta coin, I will encourage you to do so. Now, your security circle is very important. Why? Because when you log out of your account, they are the one that will help you to log back into your account. This Delta coin doesn't require password or seed phrase or anything like that to log in back into your account. So it is your security circle that will help you to do that. That's why you need to add trusted people into your security circle. It's very necessary to have your security circle because each time you want to update the version of your Delta coin app, you are going to need to log out first, then update and log back in. And without your security circle, you will not be able to log back in. For example, this is version 1.16 and version 1.17 is out. So I want to update this my app to the version 1.17. So what I'll first do is to log out. You have to take note that each time you log out and want to log in back, you're going to pay a certain amount from your Delta coin that you're mining to the person that will help you to verify as an incentive to them. So if it's not necessary, don't log out and log in anyhow. But because I want to show you how it is done, I'm going to log out so that I can log back in. But before I do that, I've already gone ahead to contact a person from my security circle so that they'll be aware that I'll be contacting them to help me log back in. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And I'll also show you how you can be a verifier for somebody, how you can also help somebody to log back into their account. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm logout. I'm going to go ahead and uninstall it. You go ahead and use the link in the description to download the new version the same way you downloaded it the first time. You will see that the version it will be showing here is version 1.17 to the latest version. They've mentioned it in their Telegram channel that their app will soon be on Google Play Store, that their team is currently in discussion with the Google team so that they can have it on Google Play Store. That way, you may not need to uninstall your app. Once they have it there, you may not need to uninstall your app before you can be able to update. You just go ahead and update the way you normally update your other apps. And they also mention it in this post that their USCT mining calculation is loading. So you have to be patient. For those of you asking me when to withdraw, you have to just keep mining and be patient and maximize your earning like I mentioned. Once you have gone ahead to download and install the app the same way you did it the first time, you will open your app, choose your country/region. I've chosen Nigeria. Enter the phone number you use to register. Next step, start two-factor authentication. Now, these are my security circle. I'm going to go ahead and choose one person that I've already contacted before logging out. Please, whoever you want to you want to help you log back in, you have to contact them first before you log out. So now I'm going to click on generate security code. They said the security code has been generated. Please contact the following relative and friend and ask them to extract the security code for you to pass the verification, valid within 30 minutes. So I'll go ahead and contact him right away. I got the code right now. I'm going to enter it so that we can continue. Next step, DSMS verification. Get. I choose the MTN number below. Next step. Okay. Go ahead and copy this verification string and send it as an SMS to this number. Click this. Confirm. Make sure is the number you use for registration that you are sending the SMS with. Once the message is gone, you come back to this page and click I have sent verification string. Next step, just like you did the first time. Verification successful. Now I'm signed in successfully back into my Delta Coin app. And that's how people from your security circle can help you to log back into your account. Now, let's say someone used you as their own security circle and you need to help them log back into their own account. You will come to this place that says provide security. You click on it. Let's say this person want me to provide security for him. Let's say I've already contacted me. I'm on standby. The moment he called me that the code has been generated and sent, I will just come over here, double click on on his name, and the security number will appear up here. But because I've not get such contact, the person doesn't need me to help them, so it's just letting me know that there is no security code that need to be retrieved by this person. So but if there is, I would have just copy it and then send it to that person. And that's how you can also help somebody to log back into their own account. So make sure to use your invite link and invite people to join and start mining. I believe that the Delta Coin team are trying to build a very good digital currency. If you come to this place, you will see that I have 7 active referrals that are currently mining under me, and the one is one active indirect referral, my referral referred. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If there's any more updates, I'm going to let you know. You can also find the link to my Telegram channel in the description and also in the pinned comment, so that you can subscribe to my Telegram channel so that you can have access to new updates fast. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly give the video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content like this.